Do you want to know how to get maximum marks for your physics equation questions? All you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps. Just remember the escape button on your keyboard, ESC. E stands for equation. You can get 1 or 2 marks at this point. If you have to remember your equation, you'll get a mark for it. But you need to state the equation at the top. Use the question and the data they're giving you in the question to help identify the specific equation that you need. Also, when you read through the question, highlight with a highlighter or a pen, doesn't matter, all the data that you are given. This is important with the second step, which is substitute. So you need to make sure that every single bit of data has been used in your answer. All you need to do then is substitute the data in the question into your equation. Always include the units at this point, because what is absolutely critical and mandatory at this stage is to check that the units are in the right format. For example, kilograms and not grams. Once you have substituted and checked your units, it goes on to the third phase, which is C for calculate. Now, in your head, if you are able to, try and mentally think, right, what sort of answer should this be? Then use your calculator, never just use your brain, not in an exam. Check the answer twice. Put it in twice into your calculator and see if it comes out the same value each time. You then need to go over the question again and find out what format your answer should be in. It could be 3 significant figures, it could be 2 decimal places. If nothing is mentioned, put it in the same format as what the data is in the question. Don't forget your units as well. A typical physics question will be 2 or 3 marks, depending if you have to recall the equation. Now, some equation questions could be 4, 5 or 6, so this should ring alarm bells to you, so always check the number of marks. The additional marks could be you need to rearrange the equation. It could be that you need to change the units, or it could be that they are requesting you to put it into standard form or 2 decimal places. Also be aware that if it is 5 or 6 marks, alarm bell should go off. There will be typically 2 equations to include in the answer.